Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on creating lists in WordPress. In this guide you will learn how to add lists easily and efficiently, all within a few minutes. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, look towards the top right corner where you will find the login option. Clicking on this link will take you to the login page where you can quickly sign into your account. After you click the login button, you will see an option that says Continue with Google. This feature allows you to use your Google account credentials to access WordPress seamlessly. Once you choose Continue with Google, a window will appear asking you to select your desired Google account. Make sure you choose the correct account associated with your WordPress installation, as this will ensure a smooth workflow while editing your site. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section on your dashboard. In this section, locate the link that says Edit Site. Clicking on this will bring you to the site editor where you can make changes to your website's layout and content. The editor interface is designed to be intuitive and you will be able to see a visual representation of your site as you work. Within the editor, find the plus icon positioned at the top left corner. This icon is used to add new elements or blocks to your page. When you click on the plus icon, an interface will appear that lets you search for the type of content block you want to add. In this case, you will be creating a list. To do this, simply type the word list into the search field provided. As you type, WordPress will provide a list of relevant blocks that match your query. After you type list, you will see a block labeled as list appear in the options. Clicking on this block adds the list feature to your page. Once the list block is added, you are now free to edit and add your content to the list. This is the stage where you customize your list according to your needs. You can add multiple items, and each will appear as a separate entry in your list. The interface ensures that you have complete control over the appearance of your list while offering the flexibility to rearrange items as desired. This tutorial demonstrates an efficient way to enhance your WordPress website by incorporating lists into your design. Remember to save your changes after adding the content so that the new list is visible to your visitors. WordPress offers a user-friendly experience, and by following these instructions carefully, you can create lists quickly and efficiently, enhancing the overall user experience on your site. Thank you for following this tutorial on creating lists in WordPress. Enjoy working on your website and exploring the many features WordPress has to offer.